Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the RadRover 6 Plus, an electric fat tire bike that promises adventure on any path. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting out, the RadRover 6 Plus aims to be your trusty companion for exploring the great outdoors. Key features. Let's jump right into what makes this e-bike tick. First up, we've got a powerful 750-watt motor that provides serious climbing power. No more huffing and puffing on those inclines as the motor kicks in seamlessly to keep you cruising. Paired with that is a whopping 672-watt-hour battery, offering a range of up to 45 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and riding style. Performance. Now, how does it translate to real-world riding? The fat tires, wide and knobby, are the key here. They provide incredible grip on loose surfaces like sand, gravel, or even light snow. The suspension fork absorbs bumps and shocks, making your ride smooth and comfortable. Braking is confident thanks to the new hydraulic disc brakes, which offer excellent stopping power in all conditions. Design elements. The RadRover 6 Plus isn't all about brawn though. It's got a sleek and stylish design with a semi-integrated battery that looks clean and removes easily for charging. The dual display system is a nice touch, providing all the essential data you need at a glance: speed, battery level, pedal assist level, and more. Plus, a variety of accessories are available to customize your ride, from fenders and lights to cargo racks and baskets. Unique selling points. So, what sets the RadRover 6 Plus apart? Here are a couple of things. Versatility: this e-bike is truly at home anywhere. Conquer off-road trails, explore city streets, or cruise along the beach, and the RadRover 6 Plus handles it all. Value: compared to other high-powered fat tire e-bikes, the RadRover 6 Plus offers impressive performance at a competitive price point. If you're interested in learning more about the RadRover 6 Plus, be sure to check out the Rad Power Bikes website. And if you have any questions about this e-bike, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.